Just pulled the manifolds out of the car. I was going to give them a face on the mill, but they got quite big cracks on them. That one starts sort of down in there, runs all the way around, stops at that crease. Another one sort of down in there, runs up over that, stops there. Some more down here. Another one through there. Been leaking out of there, and they need a whiz. Get out. I'm going to mount them in the other side. Got a crack through there, across there. So, I'm just going to give the exhaust port side of the head a cut just to clean it up. It's quite badly pitted around the port, so to give us a fighting chance of sealing up. I'm just going to take a cut. Still got a little bit on that edge. That's a just over a 5 thou cut. Just got a four insert carbide 2.25 inch face mill, and I'm running in a high speed position on the Bridgeport head, so it's running beautifully after I've repaired it. It's very quiet, and I couldn't have done this before. I would have just jumped the teeth and carried on. So just whiz across this way. Spinning at 450 RPM. It's getting quite a nice smooth finish. And that'll give us a flat surface for the manifolds to pull up against. I'll have to face the manifolds as well. Alright, I'm just going to leave it at the one cut. This point here is probably the thinnest. A little bit of corrosion, both surfaces, but I don't think there's a lot to be gained by cutting any further. So I'm just going to leave it at that.